Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to remove password from Shopify store. If you have ever set a password for your Shopify store and now you want to make it public, so I'll show you how it could be possible. So it is super easy and simple to do it. First, you have to simply open the Shopify web app and then you will be onto this interface. Now, as you can see, we have many options all over the screen. So from all these options, you have to click onto this option, which is for your online store. You can click onto it and then your store will open. Now there you can see it says that your store is password protected. So what you can do is along with that you can see this option which is removes password. You have to click onto it and immediately the password will get removed. At the bottom it will notify you and at the top it also says that password has been removed. But this can only be done if you have a subscription of Shopify. If you don't have the subscription, then you will not be able to remove the password and then it will ask you to get a subscription. But once you do it, the process will be same to remove the password. So that's how you can remove password from Shopify store. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. Leave a like, comment if you have any queries. Feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.